Arctostaphylos Bird Hill, spelled B-Y-R-D. Bird Hill Manzanita. This Manzanita is absolutely stunning. So this one in particular gets 10 to 12 feet tall. It's about 6 to 7 feet wide. It takes full sun to full shade. It has bell-shaped white flowers in the winter. Now, like most manzanitas, it is slow growing, but the reason why I highly recommend this, especially for color, this bark is gorgeous. Now it does peel, so you can kind of peel it off. I wouldn't recommend taking your hands and actively peeling it because you can get cut, much like a paper cut. But if you have room for a plant like this, and you're willing to be patient, this plant is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And if you put a light to this, with a plant that has like a great green leaf, oh. And the other thing to note with this specific Manzanita is that it does not have an invasive root system. And as you can see here, it's grown very close to this straw bale office, and it's not destroyed the office whatsoever. Eriophyllum niveenii, Catalina Silverlight. So this plant gets about 3 feet tall by about 4 feet wide. Full sun to partial shade, gorgeous yellow flowers in the spring. And what I really like about this is the color and the texture of the leaf. Put this as a backdrop or in front of a plant with like red flowers. Oh, it is insanely gorgeous. Now, I was told this once by a client, if you are a Star Trek fan, this resembles a crystalline entity, which is some sort of Star Trek creature. It is stunning when it's in full bloom and mature. Salvia gregii, autumn sage. This one gets about 3 by 3. This particular variety has pink flowers. It does have a somewhat of a mild sage fragrance to it, and it is gorgeous if you want color in your landscape. And this blooms most of the year. It actually tends to bloom in spring, fall, summer. It will take shade, so full sun to mostly shade. Minimal water. Now what's nice with the autumn sages, there's this variety that, as you can see, has the pinkish flower. And then as we go this way, this one's called Annie, which is kind of a little, it's still another kind of pinkish, coralish sort of. There is this one, which is just white. And all of these autumn sages will get 3 by 3. The only difference between them is the flower color. So you can't go wrong with any of these. There's also this one. It's another kind of fuchsia reddish. There is also this one, which is a deeper red. Dark coral, if you will. And then finally, last but not least, there's kind of a salmon color here. This one's specifically called Wild Thing. But again, all of these autumn sages bloom most of the year with the exception of winter. They don't need much water, 3 feet by 3 feet. And you can mix and match your flower colors depending on what style and what choices you want. Endless options with the autumn sage.